Hello, Veda. It's day 6 already. Yeah. Yesterday was day 5. Yesterday's topic was what is the favorite book you have read in your last year, and I made a video yesterday about that. And today's topic is surprisingly, what is the favorite book you look forward to reading? Well, I have a couple of books lined up. Firstly, it is Half Girlfriend by Chetan Bhagat. It is a love story. I have read a couple of his old books, so I'm just interested in reading this one too. And another book I want to read is Creativity for Sale. It's written by Jason Surfrap. I found out through Amy's channel. So this book is not available here right now. I mean, there is ebook available, but I'm just waiting for the paperback version to come in here. So that's the other book I want to read. I'm looking forward to read. And moving forward, there are a couple of books that other people suggested in the comment section in my last video. So I'll make sure I'll read them too. So there are a couple of books, more than a couple, lined up for me to read. I have to read them. That's it. That's today's Veda topic. I know this video is short, but and a little windy. I'm actually going for a shoot today, so I have to be there at 12 and time's already 11:30. So I'm kind of making it a hurry, and I'm making this on my rooftop if you haven't figured it out yet. So I have a power cut down there, so I don't get good lighting, so I decided to make this on the rooftop. So pretty much it. That's today's Veda topic. You can check my last video here, and if you want to check more of my videos, you can subscribe to my channel. So that's it. Bye bye. I'll see you tomorrow.